Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I didn't make videos for 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks, because I've been sick. I'm still sick, so I won't be talking in this video, but I just wanted to talk about this IPSY bag that I got. This is the first IPSY bag that I got, and it comes with 5 different products. And the first product that I got is a brush. Cute little brush, actually. This one right here. So it says that you can use this brush for blush, highlighting, and set the under eye, which I use it today to set my under eye, and you can see that in the video. And it also comes with this cute little bag, and it has 4 products. So comes with this leave-in conditioner. It's a pure Brazilian miracle leave-in conditioner. I didn't use this product yet. I will let you guys know how it is, but it smells amazing. It smells so amazing, so I'm so excited. And it comes with this little moisturizing cream. It's the H2O Plus Beauty Hydrating Treatment Cream. It's a moisturizer. It's for dry skin, which I have it. So I didn't use this. I'll let you guys know how it is. And comes with 2 different makeups. Comes with this eyeshadow that I used today. It's a nice pink glitter eyeshadow. I love it. Sway Beauty. I think I pronounced it right. I'm not 100% sure. I'm sorry. It's a nice glittery pinkish eyeshadow. Very pigmented. And it comes with this Tarte blush. It's very tiny, but you can actually use this for a very long time, especially the eyeshadow. So this is the blush. Really cute, and also very pigmented, for me at least. So that's all. So I will talk about IPSY a little bit more. IPSY is a monthly subscription app that you can get 5 different makeup products for $12. It actually have another 2 bags, which is a little bit more expensive than this, and it's full size. So if you download the app, you can actually go and select what you like and what product you like, how's your skin and everything, and they will send you 5 different products every month. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. I'm sorry today's video I'm not talking because I'm still sick, I'm coughing. So today's just a video me putting on makeup. So I hope you like it, and if you like this look, keep on watching.